Hello everyone, so here is this app which is called Dollar General. It's one of the top apps for coupons. So to install it on iPhone, just tap get. So this is the exact name of the app, and it's like 80 megabytes around, so it's not a big app. So 157 ratings so far, 4.8 average rating out of 5. So then yeah, you can just tap open, and then that's the Dollar General app. And then yeah, you can find deals and coupons before a trip to the store, order in the DG app, pick up in the store, shopping list, card calculator, scan items and know your total before checking out. So yeah. So this is the app. Let's just try to go through together and create an account in case you're curious like how to do it, and yeah, like how to use the app and stuff like that. Okay, maybe because these apps sometimes go viral and can be massive traffic for it, so I'll probably create another video